Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the game category on your Google TV. So if you want to connect your PS5 or Xbox remote and start playing, well, you easily can. So how you access this is simply by holding down the voice option, Google Play Store, and just say that in. And it'll open up the Google Play Store. Now on the top, if we go up with the remote, you can see apps. Go on over to games. Apps, games. Now you won't be able to find the entire game category under like the recommended one without saying Google Play. And then you can find all the games under here. So you get Riptide, Turbo something, Asphalt 8, that's more like a phone game. And then Epic Heroes War, Radiant. And then you can go to the bottom and we have different categories right there. So if we go back to the home screen here and go to the App Store, you might see some games now recommended to you because you open that up. But the problem is you can't see all the games. So you can go to more info and check this out. And there could be similar games under here, but you won't be able to see everything, which is kind of annoying. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.